pohhu paneme siia. Tabel ju. Oi, lõpeta ära, bro. Me ei tee mingi GTA roleplay'd siin. Banana Republic Courthouse. Oh, hell no. What's on fire as name? Nonii. Position and reminder details. Jep, ma siin panen kõik vennad kinni. Alustame pistikust, nii. Evidence files, in-time information. Jep. No ma olen veits tean juba. Jep. James, nahhe. Okei. The Banana Republic card, I can't, bro. See on nii fire ass name. Violation of... Okei. Release 2 AM. Nonii. Can't explain. Linked an to call the ambulance. Nonii. Tuleb tõtt ka rääkida. Ma arvan, et sellele kellaajal, kus iganes ta oli mingi keeld või? Kus ta ei tohtinud olla. Nagu ma saan selle järgi nii ära. Ta just nagu kõndis ringi kuskil, kus ta ei tohtinud olla. Nagu tundub selle kellaajal, ne? Not guilty. Accept. Please. Okei. Okei, väga hea. Väga hea. Ta ei ole guilty, ne? Tabel ju. Nonii, what do we have in here? Oh shit! Here we go, nonii. Kuradi Aksel. Väike kokaiin. Nonii. Sessin carrying drugs. No see oli juba siin näha, me nägime seda. Criminal record. Nonii. Small amount of drugs were found the person. Jep, me nägime juba seda. Check by police in the evening and results body search. Nii. And the scan was seen that the person had been died twice before. Statement. I admit, okei. Küsime ta käest. Nonii. Alright. I get it friend, I don't know from where it's gatekeeping. Ilge sõber tuleb ennegi ühe korra baaris. Loki think you're guilty, buddy. Alex Sitamägi. Nii, meil on siin valikud, kas public service, money või jail, ehk me saame valida ka, kui palju, mis summa ja mitu kuud public sada. Midagi ma tahaks näha, kas siin võiks eraldi kategooria olla sellel list või? Nii. Possessing carrying drugs, 10 months public service, 18 months public service või siis 5 tonni. Okei, paneme sulle 10 kuud public service lihtsalt. Ärme kohe, oiss, my bad. Okei. Fucking guilty as fuck. Fucking guilty, public service. 10 months. Kas küsime 5K ka või? Lastab 10 kuud või pohhui. No nii, palun. Väga hea. Jason Dwayne Hamster. Criminal records no. Assassination. Kui ma õigesti mäletan, see peaks olema fucking surmanuhtlus ka ju. Ei ole. 62 aastat vangi või 102. Nii, was found dead in trunk of his car. As we in the car or interior. Okay. Jason Hamster, noh. So only employee in the company at time of the incident because suspect was taken custody by the... Ainuke vend, kes koha peal oli. Okei. Evening was incident on the riverside passing started work or was doing a routine over patrol or something. Huh? Oh! Ma ei tea, mis ma just tegin, aga see töötas. Nii. Rope found next to the vehicle tire and used to kill Freddy. Mis kuradi rope see on? Red Rose. Ainukesed asjad või? Good one. Okay. Alright. Ma lugesin Red Nose, aga see on Red Rose. Ma lugesin enne fucking Red Nose. What the fuck, bro? Okei, whatever, ne? Süütu. Hamster. Ma arvan, et you're not guilty. Ja kui ta on guilty, siis on see klassik vend ise helistas. No way, nagu. Okay. I guess ma arvan, see on õige. Oh, me saame money või? First paycheck, ne? $100, bro! Oh shit, bro. No nii. Meil on fucking 2 Avengerit siin. Ja meil on evident, okei. Bob. Criminal record, yes. No seda on ilmselt arusaadav. Nii, auto. Stolen while the parked in apartment, not opposite the neighbor who where Matthias leaves. The vehicle was been stolen, license plate was traced. Nicknamed Big. On ka vendad süüdi. Nii statement selle teise venna poolt. Summer housing on the my car for 2 days and let me over the weekend. Look my car. Maybe. Maybe. Party time. Party hips. Greenhouse. Samas see võib true ka olla. Mis ta räägib siin? Off the car, suuna with pulled over and found out the car was stolen. Classic. Nii, Connell. See ongi see. Teeme toeti ka, et tal on no criminal record. Samas võib see bänd isegi süüdi olla. Ma low-key isegi usun, et see bänd on süüdi. Knew it, bro. Ma teadsin, et see on see bänd. GG for you, buddy. You're fucking dead. See vend, nii et tema on süüdi ja tema varastas selle, noh. Liiga obvious, nagu tema sõrmega eelad leiti sealt. So, sina, Bob, oled not guilty. Ja Connell. Me peaks vaatama, mis seal, vaata see on meil autovargus, nahe. Theft crimes, auto theft 2 years. Across sentence 4 years. No mul on pohhu, see on 4 aastat lihtsalt. You're fucking 4 years in the prison, brady. Fucking jail. 4 years. No nii, palun. Ma arvan, et see on õige ka. Ma eeldan, et see tähendab kõik, et see on õige. Meil on evidence. Mis meil on siin? James. Criminal record, yes. Assassination. See oli mingi 100+ aastat vangis ju. In the morning, person named Amanda was jogging in forest area near the highway. Body of a person named Francis Grimes while jogging. Ei kaamera working at the time of the... Jälle kaamera ei tööta selle koha peal, okei. See on juba teine asi. See on just tõendet laides mis iganes see ka tähendab. Siis the last person to be was James Redlow. Okay. Lately we left the company together, went to the bar. Staying there for a while. The bar called you slow. Oh, okay. No, I got left in my home. Ei tunda ka väga süüdi praegu. There sounds wrong in his life these days. Close friend. No, ta ei tundu väga. Like every day, we headed there in the forest. Red Rose. Okay. Evidence. Ei ole mingi bullshit. Oh, issand, okei. See läheb siia. See läheb siia. See läheb, see läheb siia. Hey, what? See läheb siia. See läheb sirgelt, see läheb siia. Nii. Jälle mingi roupna. Meil on fucking Roosi fucking sarimõrvar siin. Rose on him. Ma nagu ei loeks mingit pilti kokku, et ta süüdi on. Mis see teeb? You're fucking... No nii, James, you're fucking innocent, buddy. Am I right? Investigation, mitigation, raise salary. Oh shit. Sellega me läheme fucking... Ostame Dubai's penthouse'i. Jep, süütu. Tabel, jah. We're fucking rich now. Hell yeah, bro. Hey, what? House rent. Bills. Taken money -200. Ahah. Meil on siin 2 härrasmeest. Criminal record, yes. Eldon fucking tank. Trade malicious sounding. Third in the evening at the home of Eldon. Kas see on see teise? Ei ole. Arthur tal goes injury after the incident. Restaurant has been issued for Arthur Roll has a sort of terrible named. Meil pani jooksu lihtsalt või? Meil mingi läks kallale talle või? Menneks kämpa mõe juurde. Nii, Eldon. Borrowed some money from Arthur. Oh no nii, rahaprobleemid. Not yet received payment from my workplace and I will pay my debt when I receive it. Call it. Tema on süüdi. I already know it nagu. Nii, although the report discussion the police many times and not receive positive response. Yep, I fucking told you nagu. I'm gonna find money, stab me in the leg. Arthur, no nii. And told me that you need some money. Okay. She will come back soon. What the fuck? No, low key. Ta isegi võib süüdi olla. Loki, meil ei ole vaja rohkem midagi kuulda, me teame küll, mis juhtus juba. Me teame, et see oli... Me teame, et see oli Artur. Artur. Guilty. Palju selle eest saab. Jep, see on... Paneme 2 aastat talle. Artur. Jail. 2 years. Ja Elden on... Oh. Elden on not guilty. Nii. Come on, bro. Yeah. 7 fucking Sigma aura poine. Average roast, keda sa roastisid. No criminal records, mental health positive. Ilfra damaged public property. Mille alla see, oih. 12-month public service, 24-month public service and 3000. No, low-key. Paneme 24 kuud, olen midagi teinud, 24 kuud. Pluss 3 tonni. Ma jätta see meelde, kui ta on midagi teinud, siis 24 kuud public service ja 3 tonnine. Nii. This is our space, the benches belonging to... Okei, meil on CCTV olemas. Wait. Kuradi Havertz roast, ne? Vendi vahele ka veel, ne? It's a crime to do this. No, what nagu, bro? Jep, tere, see ei ole mitte mingi crime, lähme lihtsalt. Paneme rotti kuskil linnas midagi. These are lyrics that I mentioned picked up bad habit and it turned into addiction. No nii, mis me läbi teinud siin? Miks see oli see pask? Nii, bench damage by the defendant. Sharp tools were found of him. Kui klapib sellega, mis ta rääkis. Venna aju ka ei teata. Do you regret doing this? I hope you regret it and promise to invest public peace for now on. No saame aru ka ja sa saad fucking 12 kuud public service'ina. ma ei hakka, aga 24 on liiga crazy sellise asja eest. 12 kuud public service lihtsalt. Ma oleks midagi hullemat teinud siis küll, noh. Või saadame ravile ta hoopis? Naa, ma ei usu. Pole pointi vist väga. Public service 12 months. Ma saaks nüüd ravile ka saatada. 2 muusika production'it, ne? Mis meil on siin? Case Fabric claims that all of music production companies using the structure of a track that belongs to them. Copyright. One digital evidence, okay? Nii, the Ranks Music Company has released a new track in recent weeks. The release of the track was released, the music company will release track of its own. It's copyright and should be paid. Holy. Okay. This was a few days after we realized the contract released by the music company that all used the exact same first we used. No, what the problem here is not that they did this, but what they did without permission. Always production company lack was created with the original structure. We don't think there is copyright. Vaatame, kus see digital see on. Toni, kumb see real nüüd oli? Ome 42, noh. Nii. See pole sama asi isegi ju. Või siis on ka hästi. Tundub suht nagu, võib-olla kui see on sama, siis üks on vaiksemalt. Ma ei tea, jah. Decision, the one with production company convicting and payment for compensation. What? Lihtsalt sittage. Please ütle, et see on õige. This has to be the right one. 800. Palun. Yes! Nii, mis meil siin on? John Miller's use Should serve his daughter. Tyson Company või? Nii. Junior is 15-year-old Jailer and played the game last of Me Too. That's enough to bring the game. She suffered from depression and it's Six match in the mountain. The fuck? The game room from sale. See ei ole mängusüü tegelikult. See ei ole mängusüü. Okei, siis sõbrad on süüdi. No, see on true. See ei ole mänguga seotud, no way. I don't believe it. I think it's this one. Has to be, no.